today's episode of Cooking with Tovia, I'm going to show you guys how to make these fabulous chili cheese dogs. I'm going to show you guys how to make the homemade chili sauce from scratch. It is absolutely full flavor as this is cooked with Marsala wine. Folks, if you don't like wine, you can use beer, and if you're non-alcoholic, of course, you can just leave it out. You'll be able to find all the ingredients you need for today's demo throughout the video. So, I have my ground beef here, and this is about 1¼ pounds of ground beef, and I'm heating my pot on high, and I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to be working on about medium high. So I'm going to just cook this until the ground beef is completely done. I'm not going to add any seasoning on this until it's completely cooked. Now I'm using my spoon to crumble up the ground beef. So you do want to make sure your ground beef is being crumbled. So it's almost completely done. I'm just going to turn my heat up to high. Okay. And I'm going to just let this cook for another minute or two till some of the fat sort of cooks out. So most of my fat has cooked out since I increased my heat, and my ground beef is pretty much done. So I'm going to throw in my bell pepper, and I'm going to throw in my diced onion. I'm using a white onion. You can use whatever type of onion you desire. If you don't like onions, of course, you can leave it out. So to this, I'm going to add all my spices, and this is 1½ tablespoons of chili powder, along with 1¼ teaspoons of kosher salt, and then I have here 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. I have paprika, and it's 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to go ahead and just give that a thorough mix together. Now I'm going to add my water, Worcestershire sauce, give it a stir. I'm also going to add in a couple of shakes of hot sauce just to get a little kick. I'm using Louisiana's Pure Crystal hot sauce. You can use Texas Pete if you don't like hot sauce. You could definitely use Tabasco sauce. This is my ketchup. And then I have a 1/4 cup of wine. You can use whatever kind of wine you desire. I'm going to turn my heat down so everything's starting to boil. But I'm just adding some wine. I'm using Marsala. I'm going to add about a shy 1/4 cup of Marsala wine. This part is optional. So I'm going to add the wine. If you don't want to use wine, you can use beer. That would be another alternative if you have beer on hand. But if not, you just replace that with water. So I'm going to just stir everything. Okay, turn the heat all the way down to medium low. And I'm going to let this cook for 1 hour. So I'm going to just stir this about every 10 to 15 minutes for 1 hour exactly, but we're going to cook this covered. So just keep the heat adjusted. You just really have to watch it, but let it cook for an hour. It's going to reduce, it's going to thicken up. Okay, so it's been exactly 24 minutes. I've stirred it after 15 minutes, and I just wanted to show you that it's reduced quite a bit. I like to see my peppers when I make my chili, so if you want your peppers to be really fine, and of course you can adjust that to your own preference. So I'm going to let this go another 36 minutes. I'm going to stir this again after 15 more minutes, just to make sure there's nothing sticking to the bottom of the pot. So we'll be back. I let mine go. It took about 50 minutes total, and as you see here at the bottom of my pot, it's good. It remained with no burning. So it took 50 minutes. So it's thickened up a lot, as you see here. So I figure I'll show you guys just a quick little cute way to present if you're just doing a quick little kid's birthday party for the summertime. So I found these nice little stars, red, white, and blue. Also have some silver stars on there. 4th of July. These are little serving baskets. These are made of cardboard. So I have some fries that I just threw in my air fryer along with some onion rings. These are I love beer battered onion rings. And then I have a potato bun. I love potato buns because so I have here hot dogs. I'm using Nathan's hot dogs, of course. And I'll show you Nathan's. In case you guys never seen Nathan's, this is Nathan's hot dogs. They're skinless, bunless beef franks. They're really delicious. So some people prefer their cheese being on the bottom. And then just put the chili on top. And some people like the cheese on top. Some people rather have the cheese on top of the chili rather than have the chili on top of cheese. So what kind of person are you? Do you like your chili on top of your cheese? Do you like your cheese on top of your chili? So put some of that homemade chili on there. It's nice and thick. I should have reheated it, but that's okay. It's still pretty hot. I'll just let it melt the cheese on it. Alright, here is our beautiful chili cheese dogs. Hit the thumbs up, please. Hit the thumbs up. Share my video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you enjoyed about today's video. Also, if you made any of my recipes, please feel free to email me a picture of some of the dishes you created of mine. Email addresses down below in the description field, and I'll gladly share them in one of my videos. So here's our beautiful hot dog. I'm gonna give that a taste. Wow. Look how cheesy that is. Look at that. It's summertime. I had to take another bite. Alright, y'all, I'm pouring me a glass of sweet tea. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. And please share this video, add it to your playlist. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, and hit all notifications. Don't forget to stop by my channel, browse my previous content. I have lots of recipes I've been uploading. I recently did cube steak, I did shrimp macaroni salad, deli style. I've done just lots of recipes lately. So please, 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 thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Shout out to all of you. Shout out to Aaron. And shout out to Eileen. Thank you both for ordering things from my wish list. Please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to love each other.